absolute textbook drive, straight through the covers, and that rockets away. Another four. The bowler has been throwing the kitchen sink at him for options, but nothing's working. He's on a poor spell here. He has to pick up his game from now and try and look for some wickets. Four runs to end the over. That's right in the middle of the gap, and it's racing away to the boundary. This pair in combination are just super. What a 100. Unbelievable stuff from the fielder. Nothing like a good piece of fielding to rally the crowd. It's going berserk. 2 runs. That's sensible cricket. 6 brings up his half century. That's magnificent. 950. Very nicely played. Couldn't have added more grace to it if he tried. Wonderful boundary. opposition for the batting side in this outfield. Good ball, no runs given off that one. Smack! Get on the bus, because that's not stopping for anyone. Chance of a wicket here. Oh no, but he fails to hang on to the ball. Smashed with a hopper, skip and a jump. That's gone all the way over the boundary ropes for four. Exquisite timing so far. Will this be a hat-trick boundary? He reaches out for the wicket keeper, but it looks like it'll run away to the boundary for 4 runs. Listen to that crowd, they're going nuts. That's an unbelievable stop. A clever one that left no room for the batsman. Dot ball. Seems to me he's struggling to get into a good rhythm in this stint. Soft hands and to the onside. He's making it look effortless in the end. Well fielded in the end. He returns a very good throw as well to the stumps. Change of pace from the fielding unit. Swept across with no mercy. Fine century. The batsman's